Okay, so this one down here, there's actually an opening in the back. A short one. It's only a couple inches wide. I could fit like 3 fingers in there. But you can reach the back. So I can hold it in place, and I'm going to weld it through these holes. Up here, there's no opening. No opening in the top. There's nothing on the sides. So I'm going to have to cut out a piece. I'm going to bend it out, put the nut back there, and close it back up. Yeah, just one. Alright, you can bring both of them.
I'll bring all of them.
Oh, hold in.
Wait, so I can sit on that part? In the hole.
This is position.
Hole.
Here.
Okay, bye.
I'm just going to loosen these guys. Okay, come sit in the seat. Alright, so what I'm going to do is pull this down.
This is just like a normal buckle.
Yep, okay, hold on to that. Hold on to this so it doesn't go back up. I got plenty of extra. Okay. So this is just going to go inside here. Now, should be able to put that into your buckle.
So should we try taking it off?
Yeah, unbuckle it.
When you press the button, you have to also take it out.
Here, hold on. Okay. There it is. Plenty of extra, and if it stops fast, locks. That's what keeps you from falling forward and getting a crash. So you gotta pull fast. Ready? Make sure it's, yep, that locks. Well, it's not gonna do it if you go slow. Alright, seatbelt mounting locations are in. Patches are in. That was the metal that I had to cut out earlier. So I'm pretty much done with the welding. Oh, and I got these posts on and on that side. I can climb over here. Then I drilled holes where this is going to go on this side, and then I have my door limiting strap. It's going to go right there. So I went ahead and mounted the door just to make sure that it would close with this new piece that I put in here. And yeah, I could probably hammer that piece in a little bit because it kind of bends in slightly, but overall it's fine, and it closes just fine, doesn't rub on it, so I'm really happy with this. The gap is good all the way around. So now I just need to work on getting, and I haven't modified the other side at all, so that door should mount up. Now we're ready to start getting this cab sanded down and body filler in certain spots to try to, like the door right here needs some. I filled in these holes and did some welds. But yeah, we're gonna need to work on that. Get this cab ready for paint, or a primer for now.
For us, like, driving around with, like, a skateboard and my bike.
I can do it right now if you want.
Okay.
I'll take a break.
Get your skateboard!
Okay. Yeah, we'll probably get you a new one. I think you're almost ready for a bigger size, though.
Yeah, and Mom's gonna use the Willys bike now. She doesn't use it.
Well, initially I was just going to do these corners for now, and then take a break. Now I feel like I basically started sanding this whole door, so I'm just going to keep going with it. So I'm going to put a mask on and some goggles on. This dust is nasty. Alright, this thing is primed. I need to do a little more on the inside, but I'm kind of wiped out for today, so just about ready for paint though.
Tumbleweed Garage.